Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to restore your contact on your Google account. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on settings right here. Now the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you go to Google right here. So click on Google. Now the next thing you need to do is to click on all services. Now the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and make sure you go to restore contacts. Then you'll be taken right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on restore. And once you click on restore, all the contacts you have on your Gmail or on your Google account is going to be restored back to your phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.